Hello, good morning, you guys. I'm back with another job from Recruiting in Motion. This is the company called Recruiting in Motion. It is based out in Irving, Texas. It's a remote position, $17 to $17.50 per hour. And the job role will be remote technical customer support. And about this company, our client provides a multitude of financial services to their national customer base. Headquartered in Irving, they are seeking a remote customer service representative to assist with troubleshooting and customer inquiries. Your responsibilities for this job will be address technical and procedural inquiries from internal customers, respond and resolve external customer requests via telephone and email, and troubleshoot technical issues over the phone before escalating, create and clearly document tickets for escalation, resolve customer concerns promptly and professionally, and notate each account. Qualifications is 1 year of customer service care or technical support, excellent computer and data entry skills with accuracy, working knowledge of POS software and or hardware a plus, ability to work in a fast-paced environment as a supportive team member with a positive attitude, high school diploma or equivalent, bilingual English/Spanish a plus, not required. Other details is, of course, $17 an hour to start pay and $17.50 per hour. The schedule is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. 3 weeks of on-site training is based out in Irving, Texas. Then moving to a remote role, must have internet access. 8 to 12 week assignment with the possibility of going permanent. And this is posted today, you guys. Hiring Insight just got posted today as of this Saturday. You guys jump on it and apply. And I hope you guys get it. Let's go, Diamond Crew. You got this. And the second job that I have for this video, they're going to be under maintenance Saturday, this August the 13th at 2 o'clock a.m. in the morning. And there will be a downtime on Friday, August the 12th. That was just yesterday. So if you want to guys apply before 2:30 a.m. of the Saturday, which is today, and it's with UnitedHealth Group. And its job category is customer service, and remote is considered for this job. And for this job, our teams are helping people from around the world. We can bring out your best as you put your listening, analytical, and problem-solving skills to work in a setting that is geared to help improve lives and enhance healthcare for millions. Here, you'll discover a wealth of pathways of professional growth within customer service, billing, claims, enrollment, and eligibility, and across our global economy. Join us and find out why this is the place to do your life's best work. You'll enjoy the flexibility to telecommute from anywhere within the U.S. as you take on some tough challenges. Optum RX is an empowering place for people with the flexibility to help create change. Innovation is part of the job description, and passion for improving the lives of our customers is a motivating factor in everything we do. If you're ready to talk about groundbreaking interactions, let's talk about what happens when a firm that touches millions of lives decides to gather results for millions of prescriptions every month and analyze their impact. Let's talk about smart, innovative teams. Let's talk about more effective and affordable healthcare solutions. This is caring. This is great chemistry. This is the way to make a difference. We're doing all this and more through a greater dedication to our shared values of integrity, compassion, relationships, innovation, and performance. Join us and start doing your life's best work. As a customer service representative, your role will be to assist in answering both provider and patient inbound calls, conduct outbound phone calls to patients to include, but is not limited to, collecting initial information as well as assist in coordinating the delivery of medication. This position is full-time, Monday through Friday. Employees are required to work our normal business hours of 8 a.m. through 5 p.m. It may be necessary, given the business need, to work occasional overtime or weekends. All telemarketers will be required to adhere to UnitedHealth Group's telecommuter policy. Primary responsibilities: problem solve with decisiveness and urgency and escalate to operations, partners, team leads, management, and other stakeholders. Ensure patients and providers are supported by following escalation through to finish. Works as a liaison with operations partners, letting them know of any patient or practice issues or concerns. Enters notes information into pharmacy processing system. Respond professionally and appropriately to team members who have not followed process and provide examples of process. Focus on patient care and quality assurance. Promote and educate on Optum tools, patient portal, provider portal, Optum connections, etc. Able to work flexible hours. All other duties are assigned. You'll be rewarded and recognized for your performance in an environment that will challenge you and give you your clear direction on what it takes to succeed in your role, as well as provide development for other roles you may be interested in. Now, the required qualifications will be high school diploma, GED or higher, 1 year of customer service experience, basic knowledge in Microsoft Outlook, Excel, and Word, general knowledge of pharmacy laws, practices, and procedures, knowledge of insurance and third-party billing system, ability to work an 8-hour shift Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Preferred qualifications is pharmacy technician license or ability to obtain if required by state law. Experience in pharmacy or healthcare. Experience with a complex pharmacy system. National Pharmacy Technician certification, current and in good standing. Telecommuting requirements: required to have a dedicated work area established that is separated from our other living areas and provides information privacy. Ability to keep all company sensitive documents secure if applicable. Must live in a location that can receive a UnitedHealth Group approved high-speed internet connection or leverage an existing high-speed internet service. Soft skills: ability to manage multiple tasks and set priorities, ability to establish and execute action plans, ability to share your past successes, a strong business acumen, and ability to make good judgments. Excellent interpersonal skills: ability to be diplomatic when faced with conflict and always communicate in a professional and courteous manner. Ability to produce quality results with a detailed oriented focus, professional demeanor, and courteous attitude. And UnitedHealth Group requires all new hires and employees to report their COVID-19 vaccination status. Military and veterans find your next mission. We know your background and experience is different, and we like that. UnitedHealth Group values the skills, experience, and dedication that serving in the military demands. In fact, many of the values defined in the service mirror what the UnitedHealth Group culture holds true: integrity, compassion, relationships, innovation, and performance. Whether you are looking to transition from active duty to a civilian career, or an experienced veteran or spouse, we want to help guide your career journey. Learn more at this website. Learn how Teresa, a senior quality analyst, works with military veterans and ensures they receive the best benefits and experience possible. And you can reach at this website. And Colorado, Connecticut, or Nevada residents, the salary range for Colorado residents is $16 to $23.51. The salary range for Connecticut, Nevada residents is $16 through $25.77 per hour. Pay is based on several factors, including but not limited to education, work experience, certifications, etc. And this is an equal opportunity employer, and you guys can apply at this job. And that'll be it for this video. Those are two great jobs you guys can apply to. Customer Service Representative, National Remote, and it's based in Dallas, Texas. And the next job will be, well, the first job that I had I talked about is recruiting in motion remote position with Irving, Texas. And the job role will be remote technical customer support. And that'll be all for this video, you guys. Keep shining, keep listening, keep sparkling. You guys, opportunities knocking. Answer those positive doors. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the like button. I can't stress that enough. It helps get out all these great jobs, you guys. Hit the like button, share this video. And let's get it, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy hunting, job hunting. Bye.